Hey, how you doing? This is Said from affiliateship.com, and today's video I'm very excited because I have a free affiliate funnel that you can access that generates free residual income streams, affiliate commissions. So we're talking free residual ongoing commissions for you. The funnel, free funnel. So affiliate funnels are great because they come with pre-made templates which you can plug and play and stuff your affiliate links in them and start driving traffic to them. What's even great is the ability to earn residual commissions from your affiliate offers. Typical affiliate offers programs provide you a one-time commission for the products that you promote. So once you've made your commissions, you have to start all over again and generate more traffic to get more commissions. So this is one of the issues that I found with typical affiliate programs, that pay one-time commissions, because you have to keep on promoting and sending traffic. That's why I prefer affiliate programs that pay residual commissions. So for the work that you effectively do once, you can get paid residual ongoing commissions on and on. Okay, so residual commission affiliate programs are a minority compared to typical one-time affiliate programs. However, there are some great ones out there that you can promote in order to get paid residual affiliate commissions. All right, so with that said, I want to share with you a very cool funnel that I've discovered that allows you to earn not from one, not two, but three affiliate programs that pay a monthly residual commissions. All right, so these programs, they're marketing softwares that people subscribe to, that pays you as an affiliate if you promote them and they sign up to them, that pays you monthly residual commissions. Right, and so let's have a look. So you can have this funnel for completely free. However, there's one catch. All right, the funnel is in the ClickFunnels format. So if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, it's one of the leading marketing software creators online. It's very easy to use, no web design, no complicated tech skills required. That's one of the benefits of ClickFunnels. That's why many beginners and non-techie people like to use this amazing software. I myself, I've got a copy of it, subscription of it, and I use it myself. There's a free trial of ClickFunnels which you can get for 14 days. So you can literally get started today for free. So the idea is you got 14 days, so you can start promoting this funnel that you're going to get your hands on, free funnel that pays you free income, residual income streams. So you start generating those commissions before your 14 days is up, so that you can generate at least enough to pay for your ClickFunnels account, which is I think $97 for the starter plan. I mean, I've got the starter plan myself, and that's sufficient for now. So the funnel comes with full step-by-step training on how to get going and rock and rolling and setting up your affiliate funnel from today. And there's not much learning curve, to be honest. It's just step by step. You just follow the instructions. I think there's about 7 steps and you're ready to go. So to get your free funnel, all you have to do is access my free affiliate success resources, which I've put the funnel link to the funnel in there as part of one of my resources. So also you get some other cool resources to help you build your affiliate marketing business. So once you're in, I put the link, as I said, to the free funnel where you can get a free copy of it and get started today. Once you're in, there's a banner called Free Done For You Affiliate System that generates a residual commission. So all you have to do is just click on it and you'll be able to go to the page and sign up for it and download it to your ClickFunnels account. If you haven't got ClickFunnels, you'll be prompted to sign up for the free trial, which, as I said, 14 days. You don't have to pay nothing today. 14 days, you can have free access for 14 days. You can get the funnel in your account for 14 days, start driving traffic to it, and hopefully generate some commissions, and which pay for your subscription. All right, so that's it, and I'm going to just share with you that link to my access free affiliate resources. So just a moment, here you go. So the link is affiliateship.com/free. So once you sign up, you get that funnel in there, and plus you get some other cool resources that you can access, and which will help you build and grow your affiliate marketing business. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I think you'll really like the funnel. It's a free funnel, as I said. All you got to do is just sign up, change your links, follow the step-by-step instructions, and you can start driving traffic to it. So thanks for watching. That's it for now. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.